Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change country or region on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, there are two different ways how you can do that. So the first way how you can change country and region is to go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and find general options right up here. Then you need to scroll down and click on the language and region option. Here it is. And then in this interface you need to click on the region button. And then you need to choose any region you want, for example this one. After that, iPhone will suggest you to change your language. So this is the first way how you can change a region. So there are a second way how you can do that. So you need to go to your App Store application. And then at the top right, click on your profile image button. Then you need to click on your name. Then you need to click on the country region button. Here it is. And after that, you need to click on this blue button, change country or region. So you need to choose any region you want, for example, this one. After that, you need to read this information, and then at the top right, click on the agree button. The key here is that after that you need to enter your address and your payment method. So it can be your credit card, for example. And that's all, and that's how to change country or region on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.